REDMOND SteakMaster Electric Grill Review. REDMOND Grill SteakMaster RGM-M800 Home Electric Grill, Steak Grill, Kitchen Appliance Review. Indoor Grill, Grill for Home, Electric Barbecue Grill, Mini Oven Grill, Sandwich Grill, Steak Maker, Compact Grill, Non-Stick Electric Grill, Cooking Gadgets, Powerful Electric Grill, Grilling at Home, Multifunction Grill, Kitchen Tech. Voiceover script, 2 minutes. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the REDMOND SteakMaster RGM-M800, a powerful 2-in-1 electric grill designed to help you cook delicious meals quickly and easily at home. This model comes with an impressive 1800-watt heating system, allowing it to heat up fast and cook food evenly from both sides. Whether you love juicy steaks, crispy sandwiches, grilled vegetables, burgers, or even fish, this grill is built to handle it all. One of the most interesting features of a SteakMaster is its multifunctional design. It works not only as a traditional grill, but also as a compact mini oven when opened fully or used with foil trays. This gives you more flexibility for everyday cooking without needing multiple kitchen appliances. The non-stick grill plates are another huge advantage. Food cooks evenly without sticking, and cleaning afterward becomes much easier and faster. The adjustable temperature control also helps you customize cooking depending on the type of food you prepare. Design-wise, the REDMOND SteakMaster looks modern and compact, making it a great fit even for smaller kitchens. It's easy to store and simple to use, even if you're not experienced with grilling. Another great benefit is the ability to cook healthier meals because excess fat drains away during the cooking process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your opinion in the comments below.